Introducing the Cubelelo QiYi Warrior 3x3 Stickerless Magic Speed Cube. The puzzle is recommended for children aged between 36 months and 15 years. The product measures 5.55 by 5.55 by 5.55 centimeters and weighs 30 grams. Don't worry if the cube pops out while solving. It's very easy to assemble it back. The cube can help enhance concentration, analytical and problem-solving skills. It builds better hand-eye coordination and patience. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.